Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. In this video, I am going to show you this beautiful Gota Patti, how to make this at home. For this we need a shimmer fabric like this, or you can take any silver or golden fabric as per your project requirements. Here I am taking this light golden color fabric and a fusion or canvas paper which has a glue on one side. Some stars for marking, stones, these are stones for marking, a pen, small scissors and card sheet if you don't have stones to draw the stencil of it. You can draw a shape on card paper and then use it as a stencil for this. First of all, place your fabric on fusion paper on the glue side and then turn it and thoroughly press it, as it needs very hot iron press. So be careful and try to stick this from the back side of fusion paper. Very carefully do it on the front side. This way you have to stick this fabric on canvas paper or fusion. Once it is stick properly, now with the help of these stars you can draw tiny shapes on the back side of this fusion paper. Draw. For showing here I am taking space, but you can draw them very near to avoid wastage of fabric of fusion. This way, turning one up and one down, you can save a lot of space on this. In the same manner, you can draw. As you can see, I am using the card sheet stencil for this. With the help of this round stone, you can make roundels depending upon your project requirements. You can draw any shape as you like, but in square, triangles and diamond shape there is a zero wastage. Here I am drawing square shapes. Just draw lines. This way you can get equal size of square Gota Pattis. Here I am drawing for the diamond or triangle shape. Diamond shape can be further cut from the middle and it will become two triangles of each piece. This way you can make lot of Gota Pattis. If you don't have a fabric, you can also use Gota lace, very thick border of white border of Gota can also be used for making Gota Pattis if you don't have a shimmer fabric. But this fabric is easily available in market, so opt for this. This is more durable than Gota. As these Gota Pattis are very thin, they can easily stitch on fabric in comparison to the market bought Gota Pattis. As you can see, this way we can make all Gota Pattis. In my previous video of Gota Patti neck design, I have given detailed instructions how to attach them on fabric. I am posting a link in the description box. You can go through it. Here I am cutting roundels. as they are thin, you can easily stitch them on fabric with sewing machine. Also in my upcoming videos I will show you how to stitch them with sewing machine. This way you can get a square and all other. These are the, after making all this will look like this. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.